Hi, this is Rich with the C21 Soul Team.
And Lana Wynn.
And we are at 1759 Baylor Street in Union City.
This home is 1668 square feet with 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and bonus studio in the back.
Now it's also been completely upgraded inside. The kitchen has been redone, new granite countertops, new entryway, new recessed lights. I think you're going to love this one.
We welcome you to take a look inside.
So one of my favorite features about the property is this beautiful bay window overlooking the street. Now in addition, the kitchen has also been recently remodeled. You've got newly refinished cabinets with new handles as well as new granite countertops.
Right now we're in the master suite, and what I love about it is you're in your own wing yourself. And right outside is the living room, and you have wide, big, dual pane windows. The backyard boasts a large living space where you can have a barbecue, have some wine, enjoy the backyard with your friends and family.
Now I'm standing here in this beautiful studio apartment that is right behind the property, and it's been upgraded with beautiful quartz countertops, new kitchen cabinets, and it also features a full-size bathroom. Now we've tested the market and we've actually gotten inquiries above $1,800 a month.
We're here half a mile from the home, which we have the Dan Oden Swim Complex. Here you can have swim lessons, swim teams, and then it's just right across the street from the James Logan High School. I'm here at James Logan High School Center for Performing Arts. It has 3,600 students and the only public high school in Union City. We're here at Union Landing, which is a big plaza in Union City. It has a Krispy Kremes, Century Theaters, much more, and also the only Texas Roadhouse in the Bay Area. The thing about Union City, it's very family oriented. It has great places to eat like this place. Thank you for taking the tour with us. Please email us or contact us if you have any questions.